What's going on, guys? David here with you, and today I finished up the link that you can go to and put your email address in and become a part of the DC Appliance Repair emailing list. And you want to do this because
I got content that
I got content that I'm going to be sharing with people that subscribe to my channel and subscribe to this list. Some exclusive content about appliance repair business, training videos, business talk, and also tech talk. So we're going to have and I'm not going to spam you guys. I maybe send out something once a week or whatever, or when I create something, I'll send it out to you guys.
I'm not going to spam you guys.
So make sure you click on that link below, put in your email, put in your first name. It's your choice, but at least put your email in there. And hey, we had a little malfunction last night with the live broadcast. I do apologize with that. There's still some good content in there. It was just very choppy, so we cut that short, but we're going to start doing, I think, just more recording of me talking about specific things that I talk about in the live Q&A. So that way it can be clear and you guys can hear it well. But in the meantime, I appreciate you guys, each and every one of you that subscribe to my channel. Shout out to Mike and Matt. Shout out to Ron. Appreciate talking with you guys. We're going to build this thing and make this thing happen. Appreciate all the guys that I talked with in the comments. Alan, all the guys. But in the meantime, guys, this is David, and I'll see you in the next video.